In 1453, Constantinople fell to the Ottoman Empire, ending Byzantine political authority and transferring control to a new imperial power. Hagia Sophia was administratively reclassified as the first mosque, reflecting a change in authority, not belief. Over time, minarets were constructed to support Mohammedan prayer practices, altering how the building was used. The Ottomans were a military empire, not a religious movement. Their power came from conquest, administration, and control. Constantinople was taken for trade, geography, and legitimacy. Control of routes meant control of empires. Ottoman rule relied on force, taxation, and fear. Compliance mattered more than belief. Submission to Ottoman authority was enforced across the empire, regardless of belief, with a simple choice: Muhammad or die. Over time, Mohammedan became a state label used for classification and control rather than a defined belief. At this point in history, there was no standardized Arabic alphabet, nor a corpus of Quranic or Islamic literature existed. Ottoman authority followed a doctrine derived from Ibn al-Arabi, later associated with the name Muhammad, which was adopted, enforced, and spread across the empire as Mohammedism. This land was known historically as Syria, defined by cities, trade, and administration, not religion. There was no mention of a Mecca. Only later was the land administratively renamed Arabia to support and pay homage to Ibn al-Arabi. Ibn al-Arabi was a documented philosopher, not a prophetic founder, introducing monist ideas. Complex philosophical concepts were reduced to a single usable idea: oneness. From 1517 to 1916, the Hejaz, including Makaraba and Medina, remained under Ottoman control. The Arabs fought amongst themselves for power. On the other side of the world, in 1860, the AIU, Alliance Israelite Universal, was created in Paris, France, as a European institutional organization that would fabricate and shape a biblical narrative. In 1870, the AIU assembled the Quran in Syria as an institutional text and transferred it to Arab leadership. World War I and the British would challenge the Ottoman control in Arabia. Ottoman power collapsed before the empire itself fell, leaving the region unstable and prime pickings for the Europeans. In 1919, the Ottoman Empire officially collapsed, ending centuries of imperial enforcement. After the empire, Arabia was left without centralized authority and open to external control. In 1920, the League of Nations transferred former Ottoman territories to European control of the region, and now referring to as the Middle East. Britain and France divided the region under mandate authority, drawing borders administratively, such as Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Palestine, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, Arabia, and Yemen. Through a mandate, Britain installed Arab rulers to govern territories under British authority. Under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, Ankara replaced Istanbul as the capital of Turkey in 1923 to complete the disestablishment of the Ottoman. The new Turkish Republic was established. In 1921, Abdullah ruled Jordan, later named Transjordan after the transfer of leadership, not control, and Faisal ruled Iraq under British mandate. In 1923, the British put Atatürk as the president of the land and established a secular republic. In 1924, British-backed Saudi control replaced Sharif Hussein in Arabia. In 1926, the AIU held the first Islamic meeting in Syria, formalizing Islamic religious structure along with the Quran, which had been in place since 1870 to 1919, with no Allah, only Rahman, the Compassionate. In 1928, Atatürk replaced the old script with a Latin alphabet to modernize society. Throughout the 1930s, Turkey adopted Western law, time, and culture, breaking from its Ottoman past. In 1934, Every Turk had to choose a surname for himself. He then went on to cast aside the harem, veil, and fez. In 1934, also Mustafa would remove and whitewash the original artwork, and later the Hagia Sophia, or the Hagia Sophia in Arabic, became a museum empire-enforced identity. Institutions wrote the text. Religion followed, and Islam was birthed as we know it today.